Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down accessibility and click on audio and visual. Once you click on audio and visual, scroll down to where you see add voice isolation. Turn that on. Now, when next you have an incoming call or an outgoing call on your iPhone, and then you choose to pick up the call like that. Then the first thing you want to do is just swipe the control center, locate and click on phone controls. Then you should see your voice isolation information. Go ahead and select voice isolation, and then you are good. So when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone or you put a call through on your iPhone, your voice isolation is going to turn on automatically. So that is exactly how to easily turn on voice isolation on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.